Hello friends, in this tutorial we will learn some basic concepts of TypeScript. The first concept that we will read or study is objects. We will see what are objects and how we can declare objects in TypeScript. Then we will see how we can access objects values in TypeScript, and third one is how we can change data to other data types in object values. And then we will see what is type template in TypeScript and how we can use it. And then we will see how we can use any with objects or fields of objects. Then finally we will see export default export keyword in TypeScript. So let's start with first concept, which is objects. So in TypeScript, objects basically is an instance which contains set of key value pairs. The values can be scalar values. The values can be functions or even array of objects. Let's declare our first object in TypeScript. So first of all, you need to use a keyword let uh, uh, or var. You can use any keyword from let or var. So then name of the object, let's suppose we are creating an object of student. uh, Student, sorry, typing mistake, student. And then you have to use equal key sign, then curly braces, and at the end of curly braces put semicolon. So this is our first student object, and in student object we have key value pairs. So let's say we have name of the student, and its value is a scalar value measured. And then we have a second key value pair that is uh, id, and its scalar value is uh, 10. And then we have a third key value pair, and it is uh, a function, and this function is doing nothing. Okay. And the fourth one is key 4, and its value is an array of string uh, value 1, and then we have value 2. So this is our first object. Now the second thing is how we can access values of this object. So this is very simple. Just you need to write name of the object and then dot sign, and then you can print any of them. Let's suppose I want to print its name. So open your terminal and compile your code, and then run your JavaScript file. And here you can see Emerson is printed on terminal, which is our name of the student. So let's suppose we want to uh, change name from Mercer to any other like student. Here we have student dot name and assign it with a new value uh, Amjad. So this is a correct way we can change or we can update value of name property of the student. But if I want to store different data type like numbered value into a name field which is a string data type, so we will get a compile time error. So you can see here we have a compile time error because data type of name property of the student object is string, so we cannot change its value from string to number. uh, a- Basically when we declare our object and assign any value to any property of the object first time, so that value decides data type of the property of the object. So we have stored string in name, so now we cannot update its data type, or we cannot store any other data type values other than string. So this is change this is all about change data type from initial data type to other data type. So here we have another concept which is type template. So let's take it uh, a function over here which is key3 function. So in JavaScript I have functionality to add a function to already declared object. Like if I want to add a function to this student object in JavaScript, then I have to write a very uh, simple statement over here like this. uh, Sorry, it's not a person, it's a student object, then say hello, and here we have a function. But in TypeScript this functionality is not available. So if we want a same functionality in TypeScript, then we need to add a template in student class. So let's create a template in our student class like this. Say hello, and this is a function, and this is a empty function. So we can say this is a type template. Now if we have a template in this object, after creation of this template we can implement this say hello function after that this object creation. So let's create its implementation of say hello function. So here we have a student dot say hello, which is our function, equal to function. We can copy paste from here. and in this curly braces I simple print hel hello hello implementation. Okay, now I call this function here. Now when I call student.say hello function, hello implementation will be printed over terminal. So let's compile this ts file and then run javascript file. So hello implementation is printed over here.